Input account and password. Click button to verify. Click Get Verification Code. Input code. Click Log in. Click Vehicle. Click Vehicle Control. Click Add Sequence Ads. Click Add Sort. Can see all published ads. Click Add. Adding ads to the sort table. Click End. Can sort this ad to the end. Click Head. The ad can be sorted to the beginning. Click down arrow. Move this ad one position back. Click up arrow. Move the ad forward one position. Click cross icon. Delete the ad. After sorted, click Add Sort. Send successful. Can send copy as sorted to other device groups or not. Click Cancel, will not copy. Then click Close. Thank you for watching.